This is how I make an extra $1,000 every single month just by simply flipping printers. I'm gonna teach you how you could do it and how you could make it so profitable. So let's get straight into it. In this video, I'm gonna go about telling you guys how you could find these printers and where and how you were gonna sell these printers. So when you were looking for these type of printers, you're mostly going to be looking on OfferUp or Facebook Marketplace. I really recommend checking Facebook Marketplace. I just had more success with that. So you go down to the marketplace, Facebook Marketplace. You can press up here categories. What I do is press local, and then I go through, and you could type printers up here. Printers. See what comes up, and then yeah, just look them up and see if they sell more on eBay, which brings us to how you're gonna sell them. You're gonna be selling them on eBay. You can also flip it straight back onto Facebook Marketplace if they're really giving it to you for really cheap. I recommend posting it on eBay though, because you would get that sale a lot faster than you would, and most likely you'll get it for a lot more than you would just for posting on Facebook Marketplace. Alright, so once you have it up on eBay, a lot of people say there's no way I'm about to ship a 40-pound printer all the way to some other state. Again, if you don't want to ship it, you go ahead and go to the delivery tab, and then all you have to do is undo this, and then turn on local pickup. Now people will be messaging you around the area to come pick it up from you. So today someone's gonna come pick up this printer from me, and basically I bought it for $40, and guys, I sold it for $350. So they're gonna give me $350 in cash. Something I really recommend is, if they do message you to come pick it up locally, ask them if they could do the transaction with cash. Because if you do, then you avoid paying for the eBay fees. I would have to pay like I think it was $40 or $50 for fees for this thing if we did it through eBay. But now that I'm just doing it through cash, I don't have to pay eBay anything. And a couple days ago, I shipped another printer. I bought that one for $80 and sold it for $340, and this time I shipped it. It wasn't anything local, and shipping isn't that hard. You could either go to your local Lowe's or Home Depot and pick up some of these boxes. They're like, I don't know, $2, $3 each. And basically all you do is make sure your printer is wrapped very well. I recommend getting these bubble wraps. I'll have a link in the description if you want to go ahead and buy it from Amazon. And if you're saying, oh, I don't want to pay for bubble wrap, I don't want to do that, there's also another option. All you do is search on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, search up in the free section, packing material, and I got all this wrapping materials for free from someone a couple days ago. And I see at least a post like this every week or so. So guys, make sure to search it up. Anyways, if you're not going to be selling printers, you might as well go pick them up for some free packing material. Shipping for a printer that's about 40 pounds, 50 pounds, it's going to be around $40 to $50, just so you know. So you want to make sure that you know how much profit you're going to make after the cost of the printer, after shipping, after fees, to make sure that's worth your time to actually go sell it. It is a very easy side hustle to do. It'll just take about maybe 3-4 hours every week, you know, packing, getting the printers, all that. But honestly guys, it's pretty much free money. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe so you get some more of this business videos and tips, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.